There we go. Oh no. So I just had someone kayak between me and the tree line where I was casting, and right here someone's about to do it again. So if I don't think they know what they're doing, but if you're new to kayaking or fishing, yeah, don't do this. It's polite to just go around and not go through where someone's casting. Anyway, she's about to say something.
Dolphins up ahead.
Yeah?
Always makes my day.
Yeah. What? That was weird. I got snagged on a branch and then I was on. What's this? Small snook. Oh yeah. Why are you bleeding so much, dude? First fish of the day. What's this? Oh! Oh! Wow, that was an early pull. Okay. It's been a slow day. Fish. What? Ah, the flounder. The hook was like just barely there. Oh crap. Oh. Well, it's not as big as I thought it'd be. That hit pretty hard. There we go. Thought you were a lot bigger. There. Ah. Thought it was something good. It's a little snook. That's all right. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for the video. This was a huge area, so it's kind of hard for me to dial in. I've only been here a handful of times. The place I'm kayaking up to has very strong current, incoming and outgoing tide, strong. And I think on a slower day, like a weekday when there's less boat traffic, I'm gonna work that area more. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I have to go this way too to get back to the truck. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.